My name is Christian Rødt. I work as a program manager at Microsoft. In this video, I will show you how to set up demand forecasting in AX 2012 R3. Under the Setup and Demand Forecasting, let's start out opening the demand forecasting parameters. In here you choose which forecasting unit or measure that you want to use for the entire forecast. Below that, you choose which forecasting cube you want to use and which cube to use for the forecasting accuracy. You can also specify where you want the Excel file to be placed. Here you select which of the historical transaction type that you want to use in your forecast generation. This enables you to not only forecast on sales orders, but on any level, for instance, production line, meaning that you are forecasting on your components. On my forecast algorithm parameters, I choose if I want to use SQL Server Analysis Services time series as my forecasting method, or if I want to use a simple copy over of historical demand. If I choose SQL Server Analysis Services with a time series, I can go down here and I can choose specific parameters that I want to modify in my setup. For instance, I will choose the minimum forecasted value, that is 1 in this case. That was the general setup. Now let's move to the forecast dimensions. In here we can add additional dimensions. You can see I have chosen most of the dimensions here. Let's move on to the item allocation keys. Here you can add item allocation keys where you want to have a specific setup. For instance, I have chosen for item allocation key D here that I want to focus on the sales order and quotation transactions. You can also see that I have specified that I want to use the forecasting method ARIMA. For the item allocation key L, I have chosen to focus on the production components and the components used in lean production. For this, I will copy over the historical demand. This concluded the setup of demand forecasting for AX 2012 R3.